If you are a property owner or a real estate investor in Colorado, the housing landscape has changed quite a bit over the past few years. So after the fast-moving market during the pandemic, things are now shifting in a different direction. Mortgage rates remain high, while rental income is still not growing at the same pace. So for many investors and rental property owners, that gap is starting to create a real financial pressure. So let's start with mortgage rates. Across Colorado, 30-year fixed mortgage rates have been hovering roughly around 6.8% to 7.3% through early 2026. And that's a major jump compared to the sub 4% rates that we saw just a few years ago. So higher rates reduce purchasing power. Buyers now need significantly higher incomes to qualify for the same home loan amount that they could have secured just a few years ago. For investors, this means larger monthly payments with tighter cash flow, and especially for properties that are financed with mortgages. At the same time, rental income is still not rising at the pace that many expected. Recent data also shows that the median monthly rent for Colorado is around $1,840, which is down roughly 5.7% year over year. Vacancy rates are also increasing, particularly in that Denver metro area, and that's where a large number of new apartment units have also been built over the past few years. With more supply available, landlords are facing more competition. In many cases, raising rent aggressively is no longer an option without risking longer vacancy periods. So when you combine higher mortgage payments with slower rent growth and rising operating expenses like insurance and property taxes, many landlords are seeing their profit margins shrink. For smaller property owners and individual investors, that pressure can quickly turn into negative cash flow. So looking ahead, there are some signs of potential stabilization. Mortgage rates may level out later in 2026, and new rental construction is looking to slow down as well. Over time, that can help balance out supply and demand within that rental market. But for now, many Colorado property owners are navigating a market that looks very different than what it did just a few years ago. Understanding these shifts is important for making smart decisions about your rental property and long-term investment strategy. If you want more updates about the Colorado rental market and property management insights, be sure to follow our channel.